Dear friends, Bharat and Indonesia's relations possess from ancient time itself. From ancient time itself, India possesses trade relations with Indonesia. Mauryan Empire, Gupta Empire, Chola Empire possessed trade relations and friendly relations with Indonesia. Certain periods, most part of Indonesia was part of Chola Empire. Ancient time Indian culture spread in Indonesia. Ancient time Hinduism spread in Indonesia. Not only Hinduism spread in Indonesia, but also Buddhism also spread in Indonesia. Nowadays, getting premises of Hinduism and Buddhistic cultures in Indonesia. India and Indonesia are committed to upholding peace, security, and freedom of navigation in the Southeast Asian region, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Saturday. He was speaking after delegation level talks led by him and visiting Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, who is the chief guest in this year's Republic Day celebrations at Hyderabad here. Mr. Subianto said the talks were very intensive and very frank. He declared that bilateral projects would be expedited by cutting bureaucracy. Indonesia would send a high-level defense delegation to India, he added. Indonesia is our important partners in the ASEAN and Indo-Pacific regions. Both the countries are committed towards maintaining peace, security, prosperity, and rules-based order in this entire region. We agree that freedom of navigation must be ensured in accordance with international laws. Mr. Modi said. President Subianto recollected that the then Indonesian President Sukarno was the chief guest at the First Republic Day celebrations in 1950. He noted that his presence at the Republic Day celebrations on Sunday was a continuation of the close bilateral ties between the two sides. He recollected the support that India had extended to Indonesia in resisting the Dutch attempts at recolonizing the archipelago after the end of the Second World War. History tells us that India was one of the first strong supporters of our independence struggle. India sent financial aid, medical aid in our struggle for independence. Even now, the embassy of the Republic of Indonesia is on a land donated by the Indian government. Before we were recognized by many other countries, Indonesia will never forget that support, he said. He invited Indian groups to participate in the infrastructure sector of Indonesia. We have ratified our defense cooperation agreement recently, and now we will send a high-level defense delegation as soon as possible at your convenience, said Mr. Subianto, welcoming Indian business groups to engage Indonesia. Mr. Subianto linked India's current championing of a South-South cooperation with the India-Indonesia consensus during the 1955 Bandung Conference and appreciated New Delhi's recent support for Indonesia's membership in the BRICS grouping. Indonesia joined BRICS formally on January 7th this year. Prior to the statements, the two leaders led their respective delegations in an in-depth discussion at the Hyderabad House, where various MOUs were sealed, covering sectors such as health sector, culture, traditional medicine, maritime safety, and security between the coast guards of both sides. The Secretary East of the Ministry of External Affairs, Jaideep Mazumdar, said Mr. Subianto was keen to replicate Indian developmental and social schemes in the Indonesian context. Indonesia is not only keen to cooperate at the policy level but also wants to attract Indian hospital chains to open hospitals in Indonesia. They would like to have their doctors trained and get exposed to our health systems to undergo internships to train students and technicians, said Mr. Mazumdar. The President offered the entire infrastructure sector of Indonesia open to Indian business and said Indians are free to invest in ports, airports, railways, infrastructure. Mr. Modi, in his remarks, also laid out the scope of cooperation between India and Indonesia that included defense, manufacturing, and supply chain, and marked out maritime security, cyber security, counterterrorism, and de-radicalization as areas of mutual cooperation. Mr. Modi referred to the festival of Bali Jatra in Odisha that marked the ancient trade between India and Indonesia and announced that India would now contribute towards the conservation efforts at the Prambanan Hindu temple in Java. ലോക സമസ്തോ സുഖിനോ ഭവന്തു.